So let's talk about today in BellyDance quick tips, 3 ways to a bigger, better shimmy. Okay, so tip number 1, relax. You're gonna really relax. So heavy in the hips, nice and heavy. When I say relax, you also have to really relax the thighs, turn on to grip and burn the thighs. Okay, so heavy hips. That's number 1. Really relax those thighs. Number 2, make sure you're breathing. Okay, so deep breath, deep breath, deep breath, deep breath. So inhale, then exhale, and inhale, then exhale, then inhale, and then now breathe really slowly. So I would recommend, not what I'm doing, I'm playing track, by Trouble from the Track, Queen of the Night, which is really upbeat. But of course, when you're first doing this, probably get really relaxed first. So get the thighs going, relax the legs. And I'm letting my thighs go backwards and forwards, so make my hips go up and down. But I'm keeping my shoulders down and I'm breathing. And I'm trying to really relax, really relax. And I'm breathing nice. I'm taking control of my breath. And I'm not tensing up, and I'm not choking out, and I'm not like doing short little breaths or holding my breath. Okay, so now I'm just trying to keep your body still and just get the hips going. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, my 3rd tip for a better shimmy is to stretch. People do not stretch enough. I have come to the realization. So, do a stretch. There's loads of floor stretches that probably would be better. But for the moment, we're just going to stand up. This is quick tips. So I'm going to be quick. Get your knees together. Bend your supporting knee. And then you'll try, if you can't feel it, if you can feel the stretch, I say where you are. If you can't, you're going to be pushing your pelvis forwards and lengthening down the front here and feeling the stretch in the front of your thigh. There are many variations to this stretch. So if you're a bit more flexible, you can either hold here and maintain this, or we can take it a bit further back. We can take it further back and we can try and open and we can lift. It's a little bit more advanced. There's a bit of a yoga pose going on here. You can do this one. There are other ones on the floor that you might find way more beneficial. We can even try, can you see? Yes, let's try this. So I'm going to bring my knees forward and extend going forward. So you never want to feel any pulling in your kneecaps, okay, or any pain in your back when you're doing stretches. So usually there's like 1 or 2 stretches that are not, might be suitable for one person and not suitable for another, so you choose. Anyway, those are my 3 tips. So tip number 1, relax the thighs. Really relax them. Number 2, breathe and stay calm and present in your movements. And number 3, stretch. You should probably stretch first, right? So stretch and then come into this. Keep thighs going. This is one type of shimmy. There's loads of shimmies. You might want to get into a bigger choo-choo shimmy, for example. But the concepts will still be the same. So whatever shimmy you want to go into, those will be my 3 tips. Okay. So have fun, and I will see you around. Check out my videos online. Also, my classes are based in Orange Street in Houston. Otherwise, you could do any classes online, loads to choose from: BellyDance, fusions, Latin, hip-hop, samba, Tahitian dance. Then of course, all your BellyDance ones from solo, tribal from the track, which is my style, tribal fusion, yoga, Pilates, there's loads. So check it out on BellyDance.com, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.